Very little student. Go, Martin Teluja.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shapada Ume. I read in class UKG. Today is 5th September. We are celebrating Teachers' Day. It is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was born on 1888 in Tamil Nadu. His father's name was Veerasamy. His mother's name was Sittamma. He was the second president of India. He was the ideal teacher. We love my respect all our teachers. Thank you, teachers, for everything. Happy Teachers' Day. Jai Hind. Thank you.
We will be proud of him.
যারা বাচ্চারা গন্ডগোল করবে ওর মতো এখানে এসে আমাকে বলতে হবে। একটা বাচ্চা গন্ডগোল করলে আমি স্টেজে তুলে দেব।